Hi Fairy, it's me, Tashaka. Told you that I have your video up by the end of the night, and I always keep my word. And this one goes out to you. I really hope you like it. I've been feeling up today. I might just want to chance to unwind with you tonight. Yeah, I've been feeling real sad. Think I need some discipline tonight, baby, yeah. What would you do if I told you leave me? What would you do if I told you leave me? What would you do if I asked you to make me lose control, baby? Hold me, yeah. Okay, this is for the lovers. This is for the grown and sexy. This is for the youngsters. If you're feeling stressed, then you got your favorite.